Today, we will be cutting, mixing, coating, frying, peeling, slicing, peeling again, and chopping once more, as well as simmering. Welcome! Today we're making chicken with pineapple in sweet and sour sauce. For this dish, we will need the following ingredients. Cut the chicken fillet into small pieces. Salt the meat to taste. Add black pepper. Mix well so the spices are evenly distributed. Thoroughly coat each piece in cornstarch. This will give a crispy crust. Fry the fillet in hot oil until golden brown. Peel the bell pepper. Remove the seeds and membranes. Slice the pepper into bite-sized pieces. Peel the garlic. Finely chop the garlic or press it through a garlic press. Peel the ginger. Finely chop or grate the ginger. Dice the pineapple into small cubes. Transfer the cooked chicken fillet to a separate bowl. Fry the bell pepper in the same pan for a couple of minutes. Add garlic and ginger to the pepper and fry together. Add the pineapple to the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar to balance the flavor. Simmer the sauce for about 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour in a little water so the sauce isn't too thick. Add the chicken fillet back to the pan and mix with the sauce. Cover with a lid and simmer on low heat for 15 minutes. Enjoy your meal!